Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to change your address on Scotiabank. Now, you need to know that unfortunately you cannot do this by using the application. So instead of that, you'll have to go and open your browser, then search for Scotiabank, and here you will find this page. Click on digital banking guides. Once you click on digital banking guides, you will need to log in using your credentials. So scroll down till you get here, start demo, tap on it, log in using your credentials. Then here you should click on manage my accounts. Once you click on manage my accounts, you will find here your address. Simply click on the update button on the top of it. Once you click on update, here you will have to enter the access code. If you cannot actually find it, you can talk to the support or see a tutorial on how you can actually get the access code. Once you enter the access code, you'll be able to change the address. So enter your new address, then hit the continue button. And once you hit the continue again, and you're all done. And this is how you can actually do it. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial.